very many families and entrepreneurs, they are not living here, they're vacationing here, and then shift to an idea to living here. Walk me through an actual case that you have had with your clients who are not living here. How do they find their dream home? How do they go about viewings where they're not physically here? And how do they organize it all? And how much time does it take?
Well, of course, if you have school-going kids, as you call it, yeah, it's a big hassle. If you're just like, I don't know, man and wife, and you're flexible in where you work, or you sold your business, then you can just move. But of course, if you have younger kids that need to attend school, then for most of them, and a few of my clients really have been there, the choice of the school decides a lot because you want the best schooling for your kids. Is it a private school? Is it a Spanish school? You want to have them teach in English, in Spanish, or whatever preference. You pick the school and then you go from there. Like you want to be in the area of the school. Maybe they can commute themselves. Maybe there's a bus transportation. You want to have easy access with your car. So yeah, school is a biggie if you have younger kids. If not, then of course you have to think on what do we want if we want to move. If you move permanently, we've spoken that before, then your needs will be different than if you just come here for the holidays. And of course, again, if you have children, maybe the pool or the beach access is more important to you than if you are, just here as a couple, you are retired and you want to play a lot of golf. So basically, for every client, it's different. And I talk with them on, what they think they need. And I'm pushing back on them as well, saying, yeah, okay, you like the sea because you come here once, 1 week a year. But if you're here all the time, yeah, I'd rather be in my pool because I don't like the sand. Yeah, well, let's take that in account. Because if you don't want to be close to the sea and you don't need a sea view, a whole new world opens up in pricing and also in property to choose from. So I think it's really good to bounce on what you think you need and what you actually need. What I've experienced is that clients come recommended by clients that already bought with us, which I'm really thankful for. Each client brings us a new client, so I think we're doing the right thing. But then a client comes and say, yeah, I saw this one, this property online, I want to buy it. And I say, yeah, well, let's not do that. Why not? You're an agent. Yeah, well, let's not do that. Yeah, but you're very good at it, so start negotiating. No, we're not doing that. Do you have a lawyer? Do you know how you want to buy? Is this actually what you want? Do you have your NIE number, your bank account? Do you know if you want to buy it in an SL? You want to rent it out or not? We first have to clear what you want. We bounce on that. Can take a few weeks. You have to talk to your wife, to your kids, or whatever, but do your homework. Then people are like, yeah, we want to develop it. We want to buy something old and, put in a new kitchen. Yeah, do you know the way the Spanish built? Do you have people here? Maybe in your home country, you've done a few developments or flips or whatever with property. But yeah, here's a different way of working. You need a permit. Do you get a permit? Do you have official builders or not? What is the Spanish way of working? What are the Spanish materials? If you're plastering your walls, that's way different in the northern part of Europe than it is here. Insulation, heating, floor heating, you know, it's really, really different. And I think it's really good that you have an agency that knows that understands that, and who can help you with that. My clients ask me, do you have a cleaning lady? Yes, we have. You have a guy that can transport things? Yes, we have a guy. We have a handyman. We have a building team. We have an interior designer. We can help you. But it's really important because everybody makes basically the same mistakes. And these pitfalls are easy to see if you have good agents that point them out to you. One biggie, if you want to develop or refurbish, is overspending. Don't overspend. What is the overspending? Yeah, I want to create, I want to make it beautiful. Yeah, making beautiful doesn't always make money. So be aware of the goal you have. And then, of course, overspending because you made a budget, but then the build has a delay, has to be redone because the quality wasn't good or whatever. That's overspending as well. So yeah, be aware of that. I think that's really good. Yeah, I just push back to my clients, and of course they don't like it at the start, but yeah, they appreciate it in the end because the choice is better made with more knowledge, and the more knowledge you can bring into a choice, the better choice you can make.